PASM. I don't know, it's probably not super important, right? Turns out these few little letters on your camera dial are some of the most important options on your camera. Today, we'll find out why. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger and you are watching DIY in 5, the show where we make tech simple enough you feel comfortable tackling tech topics solo, all in a nice short explainer video. Today, we're talking camera shooting mode, so you know your P's from your M's, and so forth. If you find the tips in this video useful, please feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future tech explainers. Today, most digital cameras have different camera modes that will dictate how much you'll be in charge of your camera settings versus how much your camera decides for you. While you'll often hear photography experts claim that manual is always best, even if you're already very well versed in shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, and if you aren't, we've got a video for that, there are real-life situations where you'll want to focus all your concentration on the subject you're shooting and let your camera do some of the work for you. So let's break them down. Manual mode is exactly what you'd think. You decide all your settings manually and your camera controls nothing. This mode offers you the most creative freedom for sure, but can take a while to dial it all in exactly as you'd like and requires a firm understanding of your settings. Situations where you have time to play and perhaps an unusually high or low light environment might be the perfect time to play around in manual mode. On the other end of the spectrum, auto/full auto/A+ mode is the opposite, letting the camera have full control. This is fantastic for beginners or for situations where you simply want to point and shoot and aren't too picky about the outcome. Once you're ready to branch out from auto, program mode is also great for beginners, controlling your aperture and shutter speed while you control the ISO, exposure compensation, flash, white balance, etc. This is a simple solution for basic photography, but if you want more artistic shots, keep listening. Shutter priority mode, seen as S or TV on most dials, will allow you control of the shutter speed, aka how long your shutter stays open to allow in more light, or closes quickly to capture a fast-moving subject. Your other settings will adjust accordingly. If you know the shutter speed you want in advance, this is the mode that you'll want to use. Then we have Aperture Priority, or A or AV on your dial. As you may have guessed, this allows you to take control of the aperture, adjusting f-stop to make your photos look brighter or darker, and determining depth of field. In this mode, your camera will adjust your shutter speed for you. This mode is one of the most popular with photographers and is great for non-moving subjects. While not one of the main shooting modes we've discussed today, I want to give a quick shout out to Auto ISO. Some cameras have this feature so that your camera can control the ISO for you if needed. Many of the modes we've discussed today leave the ISO up to you, so it can be helpful. Other camera modes like portrait, landscape, macro, night, etc. may be available on your particular camera, and these are usually a manufacturer-specific combination of the main modes we've already discussed. Refer to your manual to see exactly what these do, and note that most of these modes differ widely per camera and are often not even available on more professional cameras. So it's usually advised to not get too dependent on them. Which camera mode is your go-to? Let us know in the comments, and thanks so much for watching today's episode of DIY in 5. See you soon!